Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ben Beps, and as you know, last week I went to the city centre and I tried to fly my drone and I had some issues with it. Well, today I'm doing the same thing. I've got it working now. I downloaded an update for the DJI Fly app and it all seems to work fine. I flew it yesterday, it was fine. So yeah, I'm going to go back and try again, fly it over Candlestick Bridge and stuff, get some cool photos. Unfortunately, no, it is not spring. It is the second to last day of January, but it looks like it may as well be spring. All of the snow on the trees has melted, a lot of the snow on the ground has melted because we've had 3 days in a row of +1 degree temperature. Don't know why we've had +1 degree temperature, but when you do, and the sun is shining as it is, it makes it look like summer, all of the snow becomes icy and sludge and just gradually melts. So yeah, we've got green trees again. I leave on Sunday back to the UK, and I think it's going to look like this until I go home, which is a bit disappointing. But then next week it's going to be really cold again, -24. And it'll probably go back to looking really wintry with snow and stuff, and I won't be here to see that. It's okay, I've seen enough of it during the season. Yeah, I need to get up this, and then get the bus into town. And I'm also going to Arcticum today, the museum. I'll combine that with getting the drone shots once it gets dark. I head to Arcticum Arctic Museum, and I'll bring you guys along for that as well, so you can see some of what the museum is like. Okay, let's go. Look, we're even beginning to see concrete roads again. Don't know when the last time I saw those was. It really doesn't look like winter anymore, which is very weird because January, February are some of the winteriest months normally in Lapland. This year it's gone rather warm. It's up there, 2 degrees. Warm day today. On top of the Candlestick Bridge now, and the wind is quite strong, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me. Yeah, the never actually froze. It's the end of January, it's still hasn't frozen. It's really weird because, like I've said many times, it's normally frozen by Christmas here. And also when I came last year in March, it was totally frozen. End of January now, it's still not frozen. It has been a warmer winter this year than normal. Okay, I think this is a good spot. It's pretty windy, as you can see my hair's getting messed up, and we'll have to see how the drone copes with that. But yeah, got a nice view of the river, fly out there without any trees, get some shots of the Candlestick Bridge. I'm also next to this statue, so I can get some shots of me in front of that maybe. Yeah, let's get the drone in the air and see how it handles the conditions right now. Yeah, as I feared, it is struggling quite a bit with the wind. I don't really feel comfortable flying at more than 100 meters away, which isn't very far to get creative shots. So I have to move manually place to place if I want to fly it and get different type of shots. So I've done this place now. I need to warm up my hands, and I think I might walk somewhere else, fly it there. Maybe I could just walk further that direction or somewhere. Or the other side of Arcticum, maybe I could give it a fly there. Yeah, we'll try and do at least one other location, and then I'll head to Arcticum. But at least I got some good shots, I've got something. This, as well as being a path, is actually a snowmobile track running along here as well, which is quite cool. Seen people come by snowmobiling every now and again. So yeah, I might try flying it quickly again here, get some shots of that bridge leading over to the church over there. That'll look quite good. And then I might call it a day unless I find a spot over near Arcticum, because there's not loads to shoot around the city centre. And then another day I'll go into the wilderness or somewhere and shoot some drone footage there. But yeah, I'll send it up here, see what it looks like. Tell you what, that is not going to be fun to do on a cold day, any colder than 0 degrees, because my fingers get very cold very quickly doing that outside of the gloves. I could probably do it with the gloves on, to be honest, but I just prefer to have my fingers available. Easy and natural doing it, but yeah, when I go to the wilderness I might be a bit uncomfortable to do. But I'm pretty sure I got some good shots there. Some good shots of the Unisfire area up here. See the bridge going over to the church in the town like I said I wanted, so I'm happy with what I got there. Let's head to Arcticum or somewhere indoors, maybe get a coffee or something because I'm a bit cold. It's weird though, I'm getting used to 2 degrees again and getting cold in it. The other day I was boiling in 2 degrees because we'd just come from -24, so weird how the human body takes a couple of days to adapt to things. I'm also not wearing as much, but anyway, yeah, let's head off into town. I have actually just realised that a lot of this area here is frozen over because this was all water a few weeks ago. Now it's only the bit up there next to the Candlestick Bridge which is not frozen. So yeah, the river is freezing and I'm sure that will probably be frozen by March, especially if we get some -23 days. Just not all frozen yet as I thought it would be. To me, this area of the city is so pretty, especially with the view over there across all of Lapland and stuff. There's Arcticum just down there behind those Christmas trees. I'm about to go in. Yeah, right next to Pilker, the Science Museum. That's also, I mean, it's not incredible, but it's quite fun for children if you want to go in there. I don't know you who's watching if you have kids or not, but if you do, there's like some activities for children down the bottom in the Science Museum which you can combine with doing Arcticum. And then Arcticum is more for adults and history and stuff. But yeah, let's go into Arcticum, let's see what it's like. Probably won't film too much, I'll give you my thoughts afterwards. Okay, so that was Arcticum. I really enjoyed it, as I know I would because I enjoyed the Tromsø Museum. Although I didn't really spend that much time in there. I didn't really look at many of the things, didn't read much of it because it was very similar to the museum, the Arctic Museum in Tromsø. A lot of the same information like about the Sami and stuff. The bits about Finland were interesting with, I can't remember the name, Parsamo? I can't remember the name of the area, which they lost to Russia, the bit connecting to the Arctic Ocean in the Second World War. That was all interesting, I read all of that. But yeah, I didn't spend too much time in there. I also bought a little pocket book about the Arctic for €4, which isn't bad value, it's half price, normally €8. And yeah, also saw the Northern Lights exhibition thing where you can lie down and watch the Northern Lights on the ceiling. For those of you who come here and don't actually see it in real life, you can go and see it in there, which is quite cool. Yeah, definitely recommend you to go there if you're here in Rovaniemi. It's only really an hour or two thing. It doesn't take all day, so you can do it in the evening after you've done maybe a couple tours in a day. Yeah, definitely go there. But I think that is all for this video. Done Arcticum, done the drones, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you all very much for watching. Remember to like the video if you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate that if you did. Turn on post notifications whilst you're at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.